What it do, what it don't, what it is, what it isn't. You already know what this is. This is once we're not saying magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into the end. I'm your host P Fire, aka P's are good, P's are good, and this is another episode of nice bit of kit that you already know what I'm gonna do. Go around the camera, come back, we're gonna do it like we're doing it for theatre. Let's do it. Alright guys, I'm back in the shop. Let me tuck these labels away, give you the 12 to the RJ. You know what I'm saying? The RJ to the 12. Let's give it to you. You know what I'm saying? 12 to the RJ, RJ to the 12. Alright my beautiful people. Today we have this Stone Island Marina Thermo something yarn. I'll show you the label. Let's get into it guys. There's my waist right there, comes just below the waist, super nice. And yeah, let's get into it. Of course, right hand side, left hand side, equilibrium saying beautiful things. You got these knife cuffages right there, a nice little elasticated ribbed cuff right there, super nice. Of course it's in this resplendent turquoise guys. Super beautiful color. Left hand side, right hand side, equilibrium is not a beautiful thing. You've only got one side, as you can see, the eagle eye amongst you can see zip down pocket right there. Put your hand in, it goes all the way under my armpit. You could probably keep a canoe in there, a mini yacht, or just a really long pair of skis. Hide that in there, you're good, and maybe a couple of the kids to go on the ski or yachting trip with you. Super dope. Let's zip that up. Let me just give you the close-up. You see that nice black zip line right there. Zip up. Of course it's off center, you can see it's asymmetrical. Super nice. Zip is YKK. Yeah, super dope. Oh, left hand side, right hand side, of course you got your cuffages like I said, but if you have a look here, you see the Stellina logo right there, which is the small Stone Island compass. Super dope. Let me give you a little turnaround. There you go guys, as you can see, Stone Island Marina in that rubberized applique at the back there. Really super nice. I bought this a few years ago at one of the sales. Super nice. I haven't worn it yet. I wasn't sure if I was going to sell it or keep it. I'm still not sure, but really nice. As you can see, it's kind of like an inside out effect. If you see there, you see the ribbon. Even if you look at the ribbon there, it looks like it's actually inside out, if it makes sense. Really nice. So guys, this is like a thermo yarn. So what it is, excuse me, is that it regulates the heat of your body. So let me just show you this right here. So boom. So basically what that's saying, I'm not sure because it's sunny what it's picking up. It says this knit is made of innovative technical yarn combining the comfort and strength of cotton and technicality of nylon with a thermo refreshing effect. Basically, thanks to the mix of ultra twisted long staple cotton flores with engineered and textured polyamide, this yarn maintains optimal body temperature control, helping to redeem heat and humidity, guaranteeing a proven feeling of freshness in contact with the skin. Well, excuse them once if we play. So you know, all of you guys who go, it's not the same, you know, Stone Island do technical stuff, man. Still, here you go, you see that applique right there. Super dope. Stone Island Marina, really nice. Let me give you a look inside. Of course you got your label right there. Of course you got your you know, information telling you what it do, what it don't. Really nice piece guys. Like I said, I've not really worn it. I mean, sorry, it's brand new. I've not worn it. I bought it a few years ago. There's that sort of inside out kind of feel. And yeah guys, this is a Stone Island Marina technical yarn piece, and this season's Marina was really dope. You have the, you know, the jackets with the waistcoats with the hidden pouch is from that season. But yeah, super nice guys. This has been another episode of Nice Bit of Kit That. I've been your host P Fire, aka P is for polyamide. Is it polyamide or polyamide? Whatever guys, this has been what we're not saying magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. Stay dope, stay fly, and I'm gonna catch you on the flip side. Peace gang.